training session with Casper. He's 7 weeks. Come here, boy. Right here. Here you go. Here, I got it. See it? Boy. So I'm gonna show y'all how I got him to talk at 7 weeks already. Talk. Good boy. Talk. Talk. Good boy. Talk. Good boy. Talk. Talk. Good boy. He talk on command at 7 weeks. Talk. Good boy. Talk. Good boy. Good boy. Talk. Good boy. Come. Good boy. Good boy. Right here. Right here. Here you go. Good boy. Talk. 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 Good job. Y'all see what a real dog's supposed to do. Not them little things that be crawling around, can barely breathe, and they all bent up and all that. This boy right here gonna be big, swole, smart, confident, protective, look good, all that. This a real bully. We showing y'all on this channel what real bullies look like. Casper, come. Good boy. 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 Yeah, man. At only 7 weeks, he can talk on command. Talk on command at 7 weeks. Follow my channel. We got a lot coming. If you believe in healthy, good-looking, good temperament American bullies, I'm your channel. Tap in, subscribe, hit that like button, and share my channel.